Hello students, good morning. Hope you and your family are fine and safe at home. I am your Sean Shriman. I will be teaching class 5 social studies. Today we will do the revision of the chapter natural resources. But before starting with the chapter, let me tell you that today's video is connected to 4th of August, which you will be able to view on the video gallery of the school website after 48 hours. Now, let us start with the chapter. Natural resources. What do you mean by natural resources? Natural resources are valuable resources that are given to man by nature. Now, they are formed naturally and human beings extract and refine them before putting them into proper use. Natural resources are divided into two categories: renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. Now, renewable natural resources are resources that can be used over and over again. When they are used, they can be replaced easily. But non-renewable natural resources cannot be used over and over again. Once they are used, they cannot be replaced easily. Now, we will do the renewable natural resources. What are renewable natural resources? As I told you, renewable natural resources are resources that can be used over and over again. They are not limited in quantity. They does not produce pollution, and they are non-exhaustive. They are also very cheaper. Under renewable natural resources come solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. What are solar energy? Solar energy are extracted from sun. Photovoltaic panels are used to extract this energy, which is later converted into electrical energy and stored into batteries. Solar energies are much cheaper and they can be used in homes and offices. Next we come under wind energy. What are wind energy? Wind energy is a form of energy that does not produce pollution. Large windmills called turbines are used to extract this energy. This energy is later converted into electrical energy and they are used for various purposes. Next we come to water energy. Water energy is the most important natural resource because it is very important for life to exist. Life without water is not possible at all. Water is considered renewable natural resource because it completes a natural cycle. Water evaporates from earth and then it is, however, comes back to earth in the form of rain. So it is said to be a renewable natural resource. Then we come to soil. What is a soil energy? Soil is the most important renewable natural resource. Soil is a living system. It supports plant growth and other growth on earth. It takes millions of years to form a few centimeters of soil. Then we come to plants and trees. Plants and trees are also natural resources and it is very important because plants and trees provides us with oxygen. We take in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide which is used by plants. So, and from plants we also get food and other vegetables, fruits which we eat. So, plants and trees are very important for us to live on earth. Animals. Animals are also considered renewable resource because they reproduce to produce offspring which are good just like them or which are useful like them. Domestic animals provide us with meat, milk, etc. And they also help us to transport goods from one part of the country to another, from one place to another. So these are the energies that come under renewable natural resources. So what we did natural resources. Natural resources are valuable resources and they are formed naturally and they are used by man, extracted and purified by man before putting them into proper use. The natural resources are divided into two categories: renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources are resources that can be used over and over again. They are pollution free, they are non-exhaustive and they are found in unlimited quantity. But non-renewable natural resources are resources which once they are used, they cannot be restored easily. They are found in limited quantity. They produce pollution and they are exhaustive. Under renewable natural resources, we have done solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. Solar energy is the energy that we get from sun. Photovoltaic panels are used in order to drive those energies and then converted into electrical energy which is later used in homes and offices. Then we come to wind energy. Wind energy is however extracted by large windmills called turbines and they are converted into electrical energy and then they are used for various purposes. Next we come to tidal and water energy. Water is the main source of, it supports life on earth. It is the main source of life on earth. Water is then this energy does not produce pollution and it is a renewable natural resource because it completes a natural cycle. It evaporates from earth, then it comes back to earth in the form of rain. Then we have done soil energy. Soil is the natural resource. It supports living organisms on earth. It is a living system. Soil is a living system, and it takes millions of years to form a few centimeters of soil. Then we have come to plants and trees energy. Plants and trees, however, is the main source of natural resource because we get oxygen from plants. All living organisms takes oxygen from plants, and then we give out carbon dioxide, which is used by plants. These plants also give us food in the form of vegetables, fruits, etc. Animals are considered renewable natural resource because they produce offsprings which are usually useful like them. They provide us with meat, milk, etc. and they also help us to transport goods from one place to another. So all these are come under renewable natural resources, and it is a form of energy which supports life on earth. So, but till today we will do that. Next day we will continue with the non-renewable natural resources and conservation of energy. You will go through this chapter, learn it, do the worksheets in the SST2 copy, that is the interleaf copy. One page blank and another page line. Till then, stay safe. Wear mask all the time. Use a hand sanitizer. And always stay safe and fit at home. Thank you. Goodbye.